Alright guys, today we have a 2014 Kia Cadenza. This fob key, this is a wireless, and this is a smart key. It needs a battery replacement. Alright, to replace the battery on this car, all you need is a flathead screwdriver like this, and with this fob key right here, what you need to do is, if you have the similar one, the procedure will be the same. Alright, what you do is, first in the back you're gonna see this little button right here. You're gonna push this in and you should be able to pull out this key. It's a little tough, you know, over time it jams in there, but once you have this out, you're gonna be looking back here, right? And if you look in the back, you're gonna see a small little tab right here, right where the key goes, right up above it. You're gonna put this flathead screwdriver there and you're gonna twist it, and it's gonna open up this. All right, so all you do is you put this key, flathead screwdriver right there, and you turn it, yank it a little bit. So all you do is you put it right there and you turn it. It's gonna open up just like that. Once you open this up, you can follow along on the edge slowly. Just don't damage anything, you know, and just pry it all around. And once you get it open all the way around, this is what you're gonna have inside. All right, and there's the battery. Just put this to the side just like that. Don't touch it, don't remove anything from there. And what you can do is you can remove this key, the battery. You just take a flathead screwdriver, and all you do is you gently take out that battery. If I had a pick right now, it would have been much easier for me, but I'll go get a pick if I need to. All right, but now you have an idea. Let me just get this battery out so we can get the number on, and then I'll pass this on to the mechanic in the shop. I'll replace it for me with a new one. Alright, so you see the positive sits back, and the positive here is going to be sitting down just like that. So the number on this is, let me see if the camera can pick it up, CR2032. That's the number on this, CR2032. Alright, so you take a new battery. If you have a new battery, or we're still waiting for it, but I'll give it to my mechanic in the shop, he'll do it. You take this battery, you just push it down just like that. Make sure this is in place, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this back. It's like a sandwich. You just push it back together, and you're gonna push really hard on the sides, and it should click right in. You should hear a click just like that. This side went in on its own, and it's in. That's it, you're done. And you put the key back in and you lock it up, and then you can push the buttons and test it. This light should illuminate. If this light is not illuminating, it's a bad battery. So let's say you come to your car, you press a button, doesn't unlock or lock, nothing happens, and you don't see no flashing light right there. Right here, it's a low battery has finished. So just replace that battery and you're done. That's it. So that's all you need. All right.